How to fix iPhone volume button not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can fix your iPhone's volume button if it is not working. So let's get into it. Now to do this, all you need to do is to just go into your settings over here. And what you're going to do is once you're in your settings, you're going to click on sound and haptics just below your notifications. And then you're just going to enable change with buttons. So this is usually the setting that has been turned off when your volume is not changing with the buttons, and now if you press the buttons, then your volume will change. If you are not able to still change your volume with your buttons, then it might be actually a issue with the hardware of your phone. So in that situation, if you have toggled the setting on and off, I want you guys to restart your phone. And if after restarting your phone, your setting is still not enabling you to change the volume with your buttons, then the issue might actually be with the hardware of your device. Otherwise, once you turn this on and you're able to actually change it with your buttons, it should be totally plausible once you have turned this on still. Even after a restart of your phone, if you're not able to do it, then I would recommend that you guys actually contact your phone provider or contact the Apple store that you bought it from, and then contact the Apple insurance policy because you do have a warranty on your phone. So get that fixed from Apple directly, and they will easily fix your button issue because it is most likely a hardware issue if it is not resolved with this setting. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to fix your iPhone sound volume button issues. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our other videos as well. And I will catch you guys in the next video.